Now we are coming into this add column tab, and what does that mean? That means it's going to give you a couple of options if you would like to add a column. You can add a column using an example. You can also invoke a column using a function. You can also add a column from the another column or a conditional column. So all these options are going to be here. Once you view these one, then you can perform lots of actions, and we will do some of these whenever we are working on. Now we have the view tab as well. So here you would get that whether you want to make them monospace. That means display is going to preview content using a monospace font like this. If you like this kind of, you can use it. Otherwise, don't use it. If you would like to see the white space, you can use this. If you would like to check the column quality, then you should use this. And this is very important. So column profile and column quality are the two most important part over here. You should check them. So you see, whenever you are going to use the column quality, it's going to show you the quality details in view. That means whether the data is valid, or there are any errors, or there are any empty values. So always check that whenever you are performing any of the transformations. However, if you would like to know mean, max, or count of rows, etc. value, then check this column profile. It's going to give you the details like what is the count, what is the error, what is the impact. But one thing is for your homework, please do check what is the difference between the distinct and unique. This is very important. If you're going for any interview or something, they are going to ask you this. And as a homework, you have to let me know in the comment section that what did you find it over here? What is the difference between these? Once you are going to answer me, then I'm going to provide you proper documentation that what does that actually mean. If you don't know, or if you can find it, then also do let us know. Then we have the different tools, and these tools are used for the diagnostics. Like you want to trace it out that what is the error is happening in your Power Query, what are the different steps being involved, etc. This is a part of advanced Power BI tutorial, which we are not going to cover, but you should know that where to check it out. Then we have the help. Over here, you are going to get your community links, your Power BI developer tool links, or some of the training videos, etc. So please do check them out. They are going to help you out. So this is the part where we covered your add column, view, tools, and help tabs over here. I have already told you that this is a part which is we call the ribbon. Then here we see our tables, and here we see the steps or the transformations we applied on a query. I don't want to see this again, so I can simply come here and I'm going to go to the view. I'm going to uncheck this one. All right, this is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to start some of the transformations where I'm going to let you know that how you can transform this data. But that doesn't mean that each and every time you have to do that. You really don't need to do that. You have to only transform the data when it's not in a form that you required to build your report or to create your report. With that said, I'm going to see you in the next video. Once again, if you have any question or concern, please do let us know in the Q&A section.